I've just received my Lyma Laser in the post. Really excited to see what it looks like. I've been waiting ages to review this device. This is an authenticity card. This is a cleaning sponge. This is natural engineering for rejuvenation. Wow, so you get a whole book about how to use this device. I've never seen a device with instructions like that. Oh no, these are the instructions here. Okay, these are the instructions. Okay, so this is basically natural engineering for rejuvenation. I'm not sure what this is. Anyway, cleaning cloth. Wow, this is impressive, the amount of stuff you get with this. That's a cloth in there. What else? Look at all this stuff. I'm glad that it's cardboard, it's not plastic, it can all be recycled. So here you got the actual laser. It feels quite heavy. And you've got a mist, like a spray. And there is Glide, which is some kind of product you use with it. And then I guess this comes off. And here you have accessories, which is a little container, a little bag. Some information there. This looks like a battery charger, and you get a USB cable. So I guess there's the battery in this. Oh, you turn it on and off with that button, obviously. And that is the unboxing. That is very impressive. I mean, there's lots of cardboard which can be recycled, which is great, but I've never had a device with so much detailed information and cleaning cloths, and you know, it's very well packaged. So I will give you a review of this device soon. Thanks for watching.